My name is Jeff Reback. I am one of the pandas core developers, and I work on the pandas project. Pandas is a completely community-sponsored data science library. This library, in the last few years, has become quite popular as the core of the data science stack. Pandas is a big user of GitHub. We obviously host everything there, but it provides a lot of tooling, which is great for the pandas project. Our issue tracker is easily sortable, and everybody posts their code through pull requests, and that's where I spend a lot of my time. I'm able to really help people and do things that contribute back to the community. We were drawn to Azure Pipelines because it offered obviously first-class Windows support, but we were actually pleasantly surprised to see that it offered Mac and Linux, which have a quite large user base for pandas as a whole. It really allows us to focus not so much on, do we know this code is going to run? We can actually now focus on what is the quality of this code and how does it fit in with the overall pandas code base. For virtually everything that an open source project needs, it is already free. It is very important that the CI also be free, and Azure Pipelines provides a number of free builds. Azure Pipelines has really made life as a developer just plain simple easy. You just get up and running and you have automatic testing right away. People have a passion about this. They really want to contribute, and pandas and GitHub and Azure Pipelines really enable this kind of contribution.